all present here, respected principals, our teachers, and all my dear friends. So today, I, Nisha Sinar, myself, my topic is organic farming, which I am conducting here. So here is, this one is waterfall, as you can see. Here the water is coming, and this is called vertical farming, and this one is bottle farming. That is done in our home also. And this is called hydroponics, and which is linked to this tanky, and the water comes, and then it gives water to the plant. And here it is a glass farming, and here it is a new agriculture because it is linked to the hydroponics also, and it is also linked to the vertical and bottle farming. And here is a light that is conducting here. So my topic is organic farming because as we know that we are linked to the agricultural farming very much, and we consume agricultural farming in our day-to-day life. Organic farming is basically we have done it through our cows and buffaloes, dungs and all, and it is consumed in our day-to-day life. As we know that here is the house, it signifies us that we are living in an organic area where we also done a glass farming because it consumes less soil fertility, and we also know that soil fertility are very rich through organic farming. And here it is also a small house representing the house of ours, and here it is a hydroponics which is linked to this tanky which gives water to hydroponics and verticals and the bottles for them. And here it is the water. I have chosen the organic farming because it is very useful for our life. As we know that Ayurvedic also use organic farming because it gives us rich protein, and it is also soil fertility product. And we are very healthy through organic farming, which contains less chemical fertilizers, and we are very healthy because of organic farming we are very much healthy, and it doesn't consume any chemical pesticide or any other inorganic products. As we know that organic farming are very famous in India, and organic farming are also number one in agricultural system. As you can see, it is a paddy field where there is a person which is symbolized as something. And in organic farming are also very useful because it produces soil fertility and are rich in proteins. India is a very large cultivated land where farmers are cultivating rice and oats and vegetables and etc. As we know that in